is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code NP-34958-9. And this is a relatively annoying error that we keep getting. So what we want to do is first hold down the PlayStation button and then go to restart, close all applications and restart our PlayStation 4. Then go up to the top and go to settings and go to account management. Then under here, we want to restore the licenses on our PlayStation. This says if you become unable to use content you downloaded through the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses. So try this out. It'll only take 3 to 5 minutes. Then we can back out. Then we want to go to where it says activate as your primary PS4. If you have your PS4 activated already, try deactivating it and then going back to activate right here. And then back out. Go to sign out of your account. You could try signing out of your PlayStation account and then typing in your password again and see if that fixes your issue. Then I want to go down to network, then go to setup internet connection. Use your currently connected internet, so I'm connected to Wi-Fi, I'm going to use Wi-Fi. Then go to a custom internet connection setup and then choose your currently connected Wi-Fi. So I'm doing Mr. Beast right here at full bar, so select this. Then it's going to say please wait, and then it's going to bring us to the IP settings. So let's go to Unmac. Then for DHCP hostname, go to do not specify. Then for the DNS settings, instead on Mac, we want to go down to manual and we want to type this in. This is 1.1.1.1 R2. Then go to the secondary DNS, 1.0.0.1. Then go to next. On Mac for the MTU settings, do not use for proxy server, and then test your internet connection, see if you're connecting now, and see if that error goes away now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.